Welcome to another episode of Learning. In this video, we discuss the solution of a problem related to Modified Euler Method, and this problem, the solution of this problem is shown step by step. This problem is from the section Numerical Analysis, and this problem has appeared in the GATE Mathematics 2026 exam, and this question is placed at serial number 30, and this question is suitable for the aspirants of all these competitive examinations. Right. The given question is: consider the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y with the initial condition y at 0 is equal to 1. Using the modified Euler's method, the second approximation, note down, the second approximation to y of h, where h is 0.05, it is given to be step size, is equal to, it is a numerical answer type question, and you have to round off the solution, the answer, to 2 decimal places. Right. Before discussing the solution of this problem, I will give you a note on modified Euler's method and its algorithm. Right. We first talk about a note on modified Euler's method. It is also known as, this method is also known as the Predictor-Corrector method or Heun's method, is an iterative numerical technique used to approximate the solutions of the ordinary differential equations of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y with initial condition y at x naught is equal to y naught. To find the value of y at any step n plus 1, where you are given a step size h, we use the following two-step process. Step A, the predictor or the standard Euler step. The predict an intermediate value denoted by yn plus 1 superscript 1 using the slope of the current known point. The slope is f of xn yn. So yn plus 1 superscript 1 is equal to yn plus h multiplied by f of xn yn. That is the standard Euler step. Now, step B, corrector step, an iterative step. Refine the prediction, the above one, by averaging the slope at the starting point and the slope at the newly predicted point. That is yn plus 1 superscript k plus 1 is equal to yn plus h by 2, the sum of the slopes by 2 we have kept, that is the average, f of xn plus yn plus f of x plus xn plus 1 comma yn plus 1 k. This is the slope at the newly predicted point. This is the slope at newly predicted point, right? And This is an iterative step, you go on doing it, right? We will now give you where xn plus 1 is xn plus h and k is the iteration number for that specific step. In this case, this type of iterative step, then k is equal to 1, 2, 3. So it all depends upon where you want the correction, right? So let's now talk about its algorithm, right? Modified Euler's method and its algorithm. First, we have the differential equation dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y with an initial condition y at x naught is equal to y naught. Now start. For each step n is equal to 0, 1, 2. For each step n is starting from 0 to 0, 1, 2, etc. First, calculate the base slope. What is the base slope? m1 is equal to f of xn yn, right? So when you are n is equal to 0, it m1 is f of x naught y naught, and when n changes, the value of m1 also changes. But anyway, second, predict the initial target value. That is that's the Euler's, the basic Euler's method. Yn plus 1 superscript 1 is yn plus h times m1. Agreed? Now, third, calculate the end slope using the prediction. Using this above prediction, calculate the slope, end slope. Now, the end points is xn plus 1, where xn plus 1 is xn plus h. m2, that is the slope, that is equal to f of xn plus 1 yn plus 1 superscript 1. Now correct the value. This is the first correction what we make. Yn plus 1 2 superscript 2 is equal to yn plus h into the average of the above two slopes m1 and m2. So h by 2 into m1 plus m2 in brackets. Now repeat the step 4. Substituting yn plus 1k back into this formula to obtain yn plus 1k superscript k plus 1, the next one with k is equal to 2, 3, so on and so forth. Terminating, when do you want to terminate? Only when successive corrected values agree to your desired precision. Suppose your precision is epsilon, then modulus of yn plus 1 superscript k plus 1 minus yn plus 1 superscript k, modulus of that is less than epsilon, then you stop it. Right? That is the algorithm, and we will execute this algorithm now for our given question. Before that, please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Yes, this is my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. I repeat, if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Right, we will get back to our question. This is our question. Right, this is our question. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. The given data is, the given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, we say, is equal to x plus y. That is the given differential equation. Initial condition is y naught is equal to y at x naught is equal to 1, where x naught is 1. Right, that is this one only. Now, step size is given to be h is equal to 0.05. The target point is x1. That is x0 plus h, that is 0 plus 0.05, that is 0.05. Why? Because you want y at h, the target point is h, that is 0.05, that is x1. Right. So required to find the second approximation to y of h, that is y of 0.05, that is y of x1. We continue in the next slide. Right. To work out this problem, you have to remember the algorithm. Calculate the base slope. You have started n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. M1 is equal to f of x0 y0 is equal to x0 plus y0, that is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now, predict the initial target value, that is y0 plus 1 superscript 1 is y0 plus h times m1, that is y1 superscript 1 is equal to y0 1 plus h is 0.05, for m1 is 1, that is 1.05. Right. Now calculate the end slope using the prediction, using the above prediction, and that is m2 is y of xn plus 1 comma yn plus 1 superscript 1, that is the prediction. That's the prediction. And we are, n is running on 0. So f of x 0 plus 1 comma y 0 plus 1 superscript 1. And that is f of x1 comma y1 superscript 1. That is f of x1 is 0.05, y1 superscript 1 is 1.05. And that is 0.05 plus 1.05, that is 1.10. Right. Now correct the value, that is the first correction. Still n is 0 only, so yn plus 1 superscript 2 is equal to yn plus h into the average of the slopes, average of the base slope and the predicted slope. Right. So that is yn plus h by 2 into m1 plus m2 in brackets, and that is y1, n is 0 only, you are running 0 only, y1 superscript 2 is y0 plus h by 2 0.05 by 2, m1 that is 1 only plus m2 1.10, and that is 1, y0 is 1 plus 0.05 by 2, that is 0.025 multiplied by 2.10 and compute, and you will get 1.0525. Now repeat. Now for this only repetition is done. Second approximation, still n is 0 only, y1 superscript 3, and now correct the value, that is the second correction we will make, y1 superscript 3 is equal to y0 plus h by 2 into in brackets m1 plus m2. What is m2? m2 is the slope with the latest y1 superscript 2. So that is f of x1 y1 superscript 2. So we calculate m2, f of x1 comma y1 superscript 2, that is x1 plus y1 superscript 2, that is 0.05 plus y1 superscript 2 is 1.0525, that is 1.1025. And now y1 superscript 3 is y0 plus h into the average of the slopes. This is still m1 only, because n is 0 only we are running. m2, the latest m2 is 1.1025. So calculate, that is 1 plus y0 plus 0.05 by 2 h by 2 into in brackets 1 plus m2 the latest 1.1025, and that is 1 plus 0.025, that is by 2 into 2.1025. Calculations we have done and added, we got 1.0525625 is a numerical answer type question, where the answer is to be rounded off to the first two decimal places. So the answer is 1.05, where the answer is rounded off to two decimal places, and it is the answer for this question. Right. This is the value of y1 at the second correction. Right. That is 1.05. That is the modified Euler's method. A note I have given, an algorithm I have given, and I have worked out this problem. Right. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. Thank you for watching the video now. Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please join as a member in my channel and support me and my channel. Your help and support will go a long way to maintain this channel. This is my channel successfully. Yes, this is my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. I repeat, if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe. Yes, I am sure I will be meeting all of you once again in another episode of learning. Enjoy learning mathematics. I wish you all the best. Thank you.